Hey guys, Jay here. I'm at MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach, and today we're going to be doing a walk around of the Grady-White 285 Freedom. This is a perfect boat for entertaining, fishing, cruising. I mean, it does it all. It's perfect for this area. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the reason why this model is perfect for cruising and entertaining, not just fishing, is because it is a dual console style boat. So you can see that the hardtop connects from the furthest part of the port to the starboard. That means that the captain, co-captain, and all of your guests are fully covered when it's under operation or while you're just hanging out at Crab Island. Something that is certainly noteworthy is that this boat is powered with twin 350s, and that also does come with the Helm Master joystick. So you have the joystick operation, you have stay point features, and you have autopilot. So here we are standing under the massive T-top. I mean, as you can see, you would be completely covered here, and you know, if the bow is in the right angle, it'll even cover a lot of this. But even if it's not covering this, you do have an extendable shade that will extend out all the way to where this bench seat is. So this does have a freshwater sink here, nice little prep station. One thing I really do like is it does have a dive door / tuna door, called many different things, boarding door. I mean, it has a multi-function, and it is definitely a nice addition to a boat this size. And one of the best things about this model is that a lot of times you don't have a lot of seating here in the aft area. This actually extends out, and when you have this flipped up, it will actually make an L formation couch here. That's something you really don't see on fishing boats, and it's one of my favorite features. So here, standing at the bow of the boat, there's a couple features that, you know, I would be amiss not to mention. This is a filler cushion right here. There is a cushion that is included, sits right there, so you can have a full sun pad up here. And if you take the cushions off, it is built so that you can have a casting platform. One of the best things about a dual console is that the wind dam here. So you can actually close the window and close this wind dam at the bottom. And so if it's a little colder out there and you want to keep the weather off you, maybe the rain or the wind, you can close this all off and be comfortable while you're underway. This boat has a ton of extra features that we haven't had time to go over. I would love for you to swing by MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach. I'd love to show you all the options and even take it for a spin. So if you're interested in doing that or just coming by to see what we have, call MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach and ask for Jay.